This is how we purchase stocks on the Jamaican stock market. Before we begin, let's state a few facts about this market. It's the #1 best performing stock market in the world. In 2018, the nation's main index rose a whopping 29%. I mean, Jamaican stocks have surged almost 300%. That is more than quadrupling the next best performing national benchmark. You can find all this information on Bloomberg. I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out yourself. And without further ado, let me show you how. You're going to need a pig. I'm kidding. You're just going to need an investment account. And to get an investment account, then you must join a broker. You can select one from this list. I took this directly from the Jamaican Stock Exchange platform. So now you have selected your broker. So all you got to do now is just open an account with them and make a deposit to that investment account. So when you're finished with that process, then your broker is going to provide you with a JCSD account number, and this account number is what links you and your broker to the platform. Now go to that URL or click the link in the description below, and it should take you to this website. Okay, this is bright. Hold on. There we go. Now click sign up. So now we're starting the registration, and now we're just gonna fill this information out: first name, last name, middle name, and your email. When you're finished, you click continue and it takes you to the next page. For this page, you will be filling out your personal information, and when you're finished, you just click continue again. Now let's create our login. So you're just gonna fill out, you're gonna create a username, a password, and security questions for your account, just in case you get locked out, and also you'll be required to input one of these security questions each time you try to log in on the platform. The next page is just a summary of everything that you filled out. So I do recommend you take a screenshot of that page and save it somewhere on your computer. That way you could use it in the future in case you need to clarify anything. Onto the terms and conditions page. You can read through this or just download the PDF and read it later. Accept and submit, and now we are finished. Time to log in. So we're going to use the username we created. Hit continue. Now for the security question and your password. So you just answer your security question, the same answer you created, and let's put in our password and then click submit. Time to add our JCSD account. And by the way, if you log in and you don't see the add JCSD account button on the right, just click accounts at the top and you'll see it. Do you have an existing JCSD account? We're going to select yes, and now we're going to go ahead and get our JCSD account number that we got from our broker. For the account name with this one, because you can have more than one broker attached to the platform, I suggest you use the name of the broker that gave you this JCSD account number. That way you can identify it better. For the tutorial, I'm gonna call it stock 1. and for the primary JCSD account holder. So this would be the account holder for the investment account you opened with your broker. Now select your broker, and then after, you're going to put the amount of money you want to deposit onto the platform. And guys, do not exceed the amount of money that is inside your investment account, or the deposit will get cancelled. Click continue and you'll see a summary of what we just did. So we have just completed adding our JCSD account and also deposited some money onto the platform for trading. After adding your account, it is going to be in a pending status. You can see it over there on the right hand side, and when it's approved, then it should look something like this. Now click markets. This is going to show us all the markets. So to purchase a stock, you scroll down and then you're going to select which market you want to purchase it from. But for this tutorial, I'm going to select the junior market. And let's try to find a popular stock that most persons would know. Okay, so Lasco Manufacturing. Alright, so we're just going to purchase this one. Alright, so just click on it. But before we actually put through this order, let me explain something. So if the stock you want to purchase is at $50, or you want to purchase it at the price of $50, and the minimum amount of units you can purchase for any stock is 100 units, then you would be paying $5,000 just to own some of that stock. Now let's place an order. So first you just select your JCSD account, and for actions you select buy, and make sure that that symbol is the one matching the stock you want to purchase. For quantity shares, I will be purchasing the minimum, which is 100 units. The price I want to purchase it at is $3.20. Choose a date you would want your trade to expire. Let's review the order. So we bought 100 units at $3.20, a total of $320, and you can see the fees here. Broker fee $2.40, JSE fee, and also the GCT. Our fee total is $4.03, and our grand total is $324. Let's do some calculation here. So we had $5,000, that's the amount we deposited, and let's take away $324, and that should give us the total amount that should be left inside our account. $4,675.97. Order successfully placed. Now if you got lucky, or you were successful at getting them at the price you bid at, then you should receive a confirmation from your broker and it should also be listed inside your investment account, so you should be able to log in online and actually view your stocks. Okay, so the order was successful, so let's take a look inside my investment account. If you enjoyed this video, share and give this video a thumbs up. We have a lot of great content on the way, so hit that subscribe button and I will see you legends in the next one.